the difference in where Armagh and Derry are at and why they're at different points, I think, as to why they're at, because there are so many players on that team like Tiernan Kelly who, like Cian McConville, I look at the minute, like, who had to be so patient. Like Cian McConville, young maybe, he must have put on a stone and a half. The level of patience displayed by a number of the fringe Armagh panel who were fringe for time and now are starting players, and it is something that Derry have just really struggled with, is finding players who are willing to commit to that patience for the 18 months where they might play no football. There are so many players who have come in, and not just under Ciaran Mina, and it did happen again at the start of this year. There were new players brought in, really players with people in Derry had real hope for. Thought they've been brilliant in the club championship the last couple of years. They've gone by the middle of the league, and it's just how do Armagh? I think that has been one of the key strengths of that Armagh team, is getting players to buy in and accept that you might kick no ball here for 18 months, but if you commit yourself to it, we're going to get you into the position where when we put you in, you're going to be damn ready for it.